In this video, I will show you how to lock apps on Android. Now, to lock apps on Android, you will have to download and install an app. So for that, open Google Play Store on your device, then search for this app called AppLock. Now, you want to install this application. Once it has been installed, you want to open this app. Now, you will have to set up a PIN. Go ahead and enter a PIN. After that, confirm it. Then you will have to give permissions for this application. These are very important. Without them, the app won't work properly. Simply follow the prompts and enable all required permissions. Once setup is complete, you will see a list of apps. Tap the lock icon next to any app you want to lock. If you want to unlock it, then head over to the lock section and simply tap on the lock icon over here. Once you have locked the apps that you want, you can test the lock. For that, try opening any locked apps and you will be prompted to enter your PIN before accessing it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.